What's happening in Karnataka. Amid the ongoing power tussle in Karnataka, there are breakfast meetings between the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, reportedly orchestrated by the High Command to show all is well to project unity. Remember last Saturday, Deputy Chief Minister was seen on breakfast table with the Chief Minister at Siddaramaya's residence. Now we have learned that tomorrow, D.K. Shivkumar is going to host the Chief Minister for breakfast. We asked him about the menu, both for the breakfast and the discussions. He said both are meeting like brothers, there are no camps, and listen in to what he told us about the menu.
What's on the menu, sir, for the breakfast meeting tomorrow?
CM loves nati koli.
Okay.
Nati chicken, village chicken.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Let me see.
Sir, of
I
course.
don't know what my wife will do.
Sir, on the political aspect of things, sir, I have to ask you, what's on the political menu tomorrow, sir? The discussions that are likely to be held?
All discussion we have finished.
Okay. Sir, when are you likely to go to Delhi, sir? Is that on the cards after tomorrow's meeting, or?
It is on the cards. Let me see.
Okay. And would the CM also be going with you, sir?
I want to. I will discuss with him.
Okay, okay. Last question to you, sir. The BJP, refuses to let this die down, sir. They've been saying that focus is so much on the chair that development has taken a backseat, sir. How do you see this?
Who said development has taken? BJP wants something to happen, but they have been. They know that they have. They could not succeed in whatever the attempt they have made.
Okay.
And they are trying to create that there is a big groupism.
Yeah.
Groupism is there in BJP, not in Congress.
The last question to you, sir. Mr. D.K. Suresh is coming back, sir, today. There was a lot of political buzz about his visit to Delhi as well, sir.
He is a parliament member, ex-parliament member. He had to go, a lot of papers, his accounts. Something all has to be, he has to settle himself. And he has gone there, what I can tell.
It was nothing to do, sir, with the current political developments in the state, you're saying? Okay, okay. All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And viewers, you heard, for breakfast, he said he will ensure Siddaramaya's favorite food is served, but in terms of discussions, he didn't reveal a lot. So we tried again. This time, Pratibha tried to get a sense of what is likely to be discussed, and most importantly, if he regrets not having the 2.5-year agreement on paper. This question made him quite uncomfortable. Take a look.
Joining us on Times Now is Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. Sir, what is the breakfast meeting tomorrow going to be about? What are going to be the discussions, sir?
How can I tell in the media? Huh? It is like a family meeting.
Okay, so how was the previous meeting with Mr. Siddaramaiah? Was it a good meeting? What was the outcome?
It is good. It is for the progress of the state and the party.
Okay, so will you be going to Delhi?
I'll discuss with my CM.
Sir, I want to ask you, will you, do you feel that there should not have been a written agreement on the CM chair? Do you think there should be a written agreement? Sir, any word with the High Command, sir? Okay, all right. Mr. D.K. Shivkumar not taking any more questions. Tomorrow is the breakfast meeting that will be held at his residence. He only said that it is a meeting within the family.
And viewers, all eyes are now going to be on the breakfast meeting tomorrow. Is it a terrific idea or a terrible one? We will find out soon. But political pundits say that the smiles for the cameras, the breakfast meetings are like putting Band-Aid when the requirement is of a surgery. We also spoke to the Chief Minister. He repeated the Congress is united. Listen in.
Sir, do you want to speak on tomorrow's breakfast meeting? What do you expect? Sir, tomorrow's breakfast meeting?
I'm expecting,
Yes, sir. So how?
because he invited me
Yes,
for
sir.
the breakfast tomorrow. I'm going there.
The BJP says they'll bring a no-confidence motion. BJP says they'll bring a no-confidence motion against you.
Any confidence? No confidence. Allah. Let them move any confidence. The government is here to give the reply and to defend the
Is
government.
Congress united, sir?
100% united.
So there you heard the Chief Minister himself saying Congress is 100% united. But the question is, what next? Will it be status quo for the Deputy CM? What about the secret deal he spoke about in the past? What about his aspirations to become the Chief Minister? Well, after the breakfast meeting, the focus is going to shift to the national capital. DK Shiv Kumar has confirmed to us that the visit to Delhi is on the cards. But whether the Chief Minister will also go with the Deputy Chief Minister remains to be seen. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us on the broadcast. Neha, when you were speaking with the Deputy Chief Minister, he did confirm that his visit to Delhi is on the cards. When is that likely? Are both these leaders going to be summoned by the High Command soon, as was being reported, a couple of days ago, that perhaps something could happen around 3rd and 4th of November?
Well, of course, that's what it appears like at the moment, at least. We know that the Deputy Chief Minister is not going till tomorrow afternoon, given that he has a breakfast meeting that he's called the Chief Minister for. When we categorically asked him about his plans to go to Delhi yesterday as well as today, he said that, very shortly is what he's been saying. Now, of course, whether that would mean right after the breakfast meeting, whether that would mean around the 3rd or the 4th, all of this is something that, he's leaving us guessing on. But we'll really have to wait and see. Probably, sources right now, highly placed sources within the party have confirmed to us that after tomorrow's meeting, after the second round of discussions between both the senior leaders, is when they're likely to arrive on, some sort of an agreement, and then is when both the leaders would likely travel to the High Command.
All right, Neha Hebale, appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. Siddharth joins you next. Stay with us.